Number 17. Another factoring problem. Okay. We are going to 5-step method. Wish I had colors, but I'll figure it out. So step 1 is GCF. What goes into 24, 12, and 36? Okay, so upside down division. What goes into all three numbers? 12, 2, right? So either one would work. Okay? Now for this, when we're doing greatest common factor, we do want to look for the biggest number. But just in case we choose 2, right? Because we're used to that with our when we're doing what's it called? Breaking down the radical, right? When we're trying to break down the radical, we always start with our primes, right? With GCF, we don't have to use primes, but for some students, they start with the primes, even though that's what they want to do. So they don't see the 12, they see the 2. Like yesterday, I think I did this with one class, and I saw 6. I didn't see 12. So I was like, oh, good for you. All right, so 2 is 12x squared plus 6x minus 18. Okay? And then I was like, okay, what goes into 12, 6, and 18? And then someone's like, okay, 6. Right? And so we're like, okay, so that's 2, 1, and 3. Okay? And so if you do this in steps, just know that you got to take these down as a factor. 2 times 6. So this would be 2 times 6, which is 12, right? And this is going to follow you forever. In every single possible step, it just follows you. It doesn't go away. Okay? This is a factor. It's the first factor we found. It's the greatest common factor, right? Alright, and then we bring this down, which is 2x squared plus x minus 3. Okay? And then we move on to our second step. And our second step, right, is parentheses star variable, correct? Okay. So I'm going to bring the 12 down, right? And then I'm going to bring down 2 parentheses, because it tells me 2 parentheses and 2 star variables. The star, I'm going to mark it, so that's 2x and 2x. Okay? Alright, we'll use those colors. Next is 3, so signs. Right? And this sign comes straight down, plus. Okay? But this sign tells me that these 2 signs are different. Okay? They're different. Okay? So if this sign is different from this sign, then this has to be, yeah, minus. It's like grandfather's talking to us. It's an idea emoji. Blow your mind. Okay. That color's gone. Number 4. Not 14. 4 is product and sum. Alright. So we're taking this product is the first times the last. That's 2 times 3. That's 6. And then the sum is the middle number. Yeah. But the middle numbers, there's nothing there. 1. Very good. Alright. So it's actually 1. Alright? So, I need 2 things that multiply to be 6. But they subtract to be 1. So 2 things. So I know 6 times 1 is 6. But 6 minus 1 is 5. So that's not 1. So what could it be? 2 numbers that multiply to be 6, Jose. 2 numbers that multiply to be 6.
3 and 2.
3 and 2! Look at that. And 3 minus 2 is 1. And it works. 3 and 2. Now remember, we want to put big number first. 3 minus 2 is 1, not 2 minus 3 is 1, right? 3 minus 2 is 1. Alright, so that's that step. And now I want to grab another color. I think there's a blue back here. And finish this up with the star cleanup. Now we should remember that our star is 2. And 5 is star clean up. So we need 2 factors of 2. Well, 2 and 1. That's really all there is, right? So I look at this and go, does 2 go into 2 and 3? Nah. But 2 goes into 2 and 2, right? That means the 1 should be able to go, 1 goes into anything, right? So the 12 gets brought down. No matter what. And now we bring down 1 goes into 2, 2 times. 1 goes into 3, 3 times. 2 goes into 2, 1 time. 2 goes into 2, 1 time. And there it is. Every time. One step at a time.